Hi guys, it's Miss Deb again. I wanted to talk a little bit about supporting kiddos that are still learning how to manipulate scissors. Scissor skills can be really hard because we're asking one side of our body to do something while the other side of our body is doing something else. That's called bilateral integration, okay? So if you have a student who is learning how to safely manipulate, accurately manipulate scissors, here's a tip, a trick that I use kind of frequently. I will take a piece of paper just like this. We want to start them cutting on straight lines first. Curved lines require more coordination, so you want to try to have them on straight lines first. I will tape the piece of paper actually to the table. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a second, okay? But then on one side, I will draw something on the side of the paper. Again, this is just practice. This wouldn't be something that, we would be, turning into a teacher, or obviously maybe on a craft, you wouldn't want to be doing this, but this is just strictly for scissor skill practice. So I'm drawing these things over here to help my friend, to help my student know where to put that other hand, okay? So I'm gonna pick up my scissors. The verbal cues that I use are my thumb goes in the little hole. My thumb goes in that little hole. And then these other guys are my helpers. Okay. So let me see if I can do this. I have taped my paper to my table, and that just gives me some extra stability up here. Okay. So my friend doesn't have to worry about that paper flopping on them. So then the first shape that I've drawn, that's where their thumb is going to initially go. Okay. So I'm going to be cutting, and eventually I get to a point where I need to move my hand, but my friend is still learning how to do that. So that next drawing, that's where they're gonna hop their hand up to. Okay, so now I'm on that X, and I'm gonna cut, and then I'm gonna need my hand again, and so I'm gonna say, hop up to the square, and they're gonna hop up to the square, okay? So those are just some extra tips and tricks that you can use at home if you're wanting to practice some scissor skill acquisition. Okay, we'll talk to you later.